Question. Have y'all ever experienced interruption in your life? Have you ever had a plan that you had in place that you were going to do for today? And all of a sudden, something happens, and now you're not able to do what you said you were going to do today. Have anybody ever experienced that? Can you put it in the comments? Have you ever experienced that in your world? Have you ever experienced that? Well, I'm going to tell you, I experienced that this morning. I did. Last night, I had already had a plan. I had my pencil and my paper, and I said, you know what? I am going to declutter my kitchen on today. That was what I was going to do. I was going to declutter my kitchen. I was going to finish putting up my Christmas lights. I was going to do these things on today. But guess what? All of a sudden, this morning, I got up, I was ready. I had my music going. I had I had my cleaning supplies. I had everything set out for me to do just that, declutter my kitchen. But guess what happened? I lost electricity and power in my house. Lights went out. Pitch black dark. What? And you know what? I was screaming, no, because my goal was to finish decluttering my house. I told y'all in part one, I was trying to declutter my office and I was working on decluttering my living room. Y'all saw pictures of what I was trying to do because I gave you a tour, right? So today, my goal was to declutter my kitchen. So when y'all experience this, what do y'all do? What do y'all do? Put it in the comments. What do you guys do? Well, I'm going to tell you what I did, y'all. When my lights went out this morning, the only thing I could do was shake my head. Of all the days, my lights, power, electricity go out today. So you know what I did? I haven't even did any holiday Christmas shopping yet. So guess what I did? I put some clothes on and I went shopping. That's what I did. I went shopping. You know what? I decided that I was not going to let nothing steal my joy today. Nothing. Nothing. So I put some clothes on and I went shopping. I went holiday shopping, and you know what? I really had fun holiday shopping. I did. I did. And so I said, well, I can do that. And then hopefully my lights come back on, my electricity come back on, right? When I return home. But guess what? Nope. Still no power in my house. So now I can still declutter because I have flashlights, I have some candles, and I can open the door with the sunlight, right? But I also wanted to make sure that I reached out and connected with you guys, my family, right? And I was like, well, how am I going to go live? How am I going to record? Because it's too dark in the house. So you know what I said? Bing! I can come outside on the porch because guess what? There's a lot of sunshine. So guess what? I came outside to go live so I can make sure I can speak to you guys. So you know what? I said all of this to say, sometimes things don't go like we expect them to go. Sometimes we can have a plan, and you know what? That plan can get interrupted by some things that's out of our control. I don't know why my power went out. I don't know if somebody hit the pole, hit the transformer box. I have the slightest idea. But you know what? It's out of my control. There's nothing that I can do. So that's why I just took a deep breath and I said, number one, I can't let nothing steal my joy. Number two, let me go shopping. Number three, let me sit outside and enjoy the sun while I talk to you guys, right? Because four, when the power do come back on, I can still go and declutter my kitchen. Now, the goal was to declutter the kitchen early this morning. But you know what? Now I'm going to have to declutter it tonight. But you know what? That's okay. It's all right. Sometimes we get all bent out of shape. Sometimes we lose it. Sometimes we get overwhelmed because things don't go like we planned them to go. But I'm here to encourage you all today. Don't let it stress you out. Don't let it stress you out because there is so many ways to cook fried chicken, right? There's so many ways to cook chicken. You can fry it, you can bake it, you can broil it, right? There's there's so many ways that you can do what it is that you need to do, right? So don't get bent out of a shape, y'all. Sometimes we let the little things knock us off track. Stay on track, y'all. Don't give up in this season. Don't give up in this season. Nope, 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 nope. We could be doing so good, and then all of a sudden, some come up and interrupt us and take us all off our path. So I just wanted to just come on here today, just encourage you guys. Because you know what? At first, you know what? I was upset because I was trying to knock this out early this morning so I can enjoy the rest of my day. But obviously, I guess it had to happen this way, right? But that's okay. It's okay because guess what? I had no control over that. I had no control over my electricity going out. I had no control over that. So for you, sometimes we have no control over whatever interrupted us, right? But just know that we have a choice to whether or not we're going to allow it to steal our joy, or we could just find another way in order to get things done. So, hey, thank y'all so much for tuning in to this session because I was sitting out here on the porch and I said, you know what? I need to check in with my family to see how everything is going and to encourage y'all to just keep moving, keep going. Don't let nothing steal your joy. Nothing. I'm telling y'all, sometimes we have to learn how to pivot. When things don't go as planned, pivot. Go a whole nother way. Sometimes, you know what? It may take you a little longer to get there. But guess what? The goal is to get there. Get there. Get there. With a smile on our face. Yes. So y'all stay encouraged. And I will see y'all next time. I got pictures for y'all of how the decluttering is going. All right. Talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Unbreakable You. Bye.